Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's been so long and I'm so sorry. I've been gone for a while, guys. Been gone. So sorry for the wait. I've been busy. Been real busy. But we're here. Better late than never, right? Good morning, afternoon, and evening to whatever time zone you in. Glad you're even in that watch, man. Glad y'all even watching right now. See if we can get a few people in here. I'm about to spread this word. First things first, glory be to God. Gotta spread the word. Gotta spread the word. First things first. We live. Why was that so loud? That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, what's up, man? What is up? We got the charts behind us. We want to get into that word. Market opens up, volumes kicks in 10 more minutes. That gives us enough time to spread that word. Give y'all that gospel. Y'all need it. Y'all need it. But the thing is, isn't the government shut down right now? Can we see any news? Do we have any news? Natural gas storage. Okay. Okay, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. All right, bet. Bet. Let's get into it. Believer, non-believer. Spread that word. First Peter chapter 1, verse 4? Is that verse 4? Let me see. Verse 6. Excuse me. Verse 6. So be truly glad. So be truly glad. There's wonderful joy ahead. Even though you may endure many trials for a little while, these trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as fire tests and purifies gold. Though your faith is far more precious than mere gold, so when your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring you much praise and glory and honor on the day when Jesus Christ is revealed to the world. You love him even though you never seen him. Though you do not see him now, you trust him. And you rejoice with a glorious and inexpressible joy. The reward for trusting him will be the salvation of your souls. Guys, we may endure many trials, many trials, hard times in our lives, some that we just don't want to speak of, right? But our faith is being tested to see how genuine our faith is, right? We're being tested to see how genuine our faith is. And remember this, our faith is more precious than just gold. It's precious than any diamond, any mineral, any rock out there. It's precious. Our faith in Jesus Christ, our love and our trust in Jesus Christ is more beautiful and more important than anything in this world, guys. And when we have stand the trial and we have faced the test and endured the problems, we will receive the crown of life and the salvation of our souls. The holy scriptures are true. These are holy scriptures. Holy scriptures. They speak nothing but the truth. So put your faith and trust in the Lord, guys. Trust in him only and put your faith in him only. And I also have right here, that was First Peter chapter 1 verse 6. And we also have First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 16. Always be joyful. Never stop praying. Always stay in constant communication with God, no matter what it is. If it's a good or bad circumstance you're in, if it's bad or good circumstance, no matter what it is. Pray to God. Give thanks. Be in prayer. Have continual communication with the Lord. Remember that, guys. Just stay in continued communication. All right. God bless y'all. Let's get it, man. Let's see what we got. See what we got for today. Let's see how this market, man. The market's been pretty decent. I ain't gonna lie. The market's been pretty decent. I took a payout. I took a couple of trades. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. What's up, Adam? Go Dodgers. Amira, what's up? Glad to see you back in the chat, man. Let's get into it. Market opens up in 6 more minutes. I've been busy, y'all. If I haven't been seeing me, I've been really busy. Really busy. Give me a sec. Make sure this computer running right. Make sure the computer running right. All right, let's go ahead and back test and chart our and chart. That's the chart and back test. See what we got going on. Set our previous day high. Also our previous day low for anybody that's new in the chat. Look, we have MAQ. Oh shoot, hold up. We have MAQ, MAQ. I use both of them in different time frames. You got the 1 hour right here. I might use like any time frame right here, but I usually keep on this chart on this screen right here one time frame. I usually stick it on one, keep it on one time frame. But on this one, I usually just, you can see, wait, not this, I'm sorry. Give me a second. With this one, usually I see how it changes: 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute. I usually change this one periodically to see how the market's moving. I usually keep this one on a fixed time frame. So let's go ahead and chart, back test a little bit, see what we got going on. We got a lot of breakers right here, I see. A lot of breakers. Wait, what happened to my previous day high? There we go. All right, let's get, wait, what's going on? It was just there. There it is. All right. All right, let's see what we got. Coming back down to this low, maybe. Coming back down to this low. I'm gonna put a little line right here to see what happens. Man, it feels good to be back trading. I mean, trading and streaming. For 4 hour fair value you got right here. Ooh, beautiful 4 hour fair value you got right here. See if we can take out some more lows. 4 hour fair value you got right here. 4 hour. Hold up. 4 hour FVG. Me right there. Put this in the back too as well. All right, looking really good, looking good. Coming off that previous day high. Can we take out some lows? What else we got? A 1 hour. That's okay. Are we shorting day? Is it short day? We stacking across. Came back up for some highs, rejected. Are we gonna reject right here and take out some more lows? Market opens up in 3 more minutes. See how we looking. Look at a weekly. Print higher. Tomorrow's the last day, so we got today and tomorrow before this market prints, right? Either we're gonna push higher or we're gonna stay in this range, because we could be ranging after this big move up. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. See, sideways. Try to break higher. We couldn't break higher. Look right here. See on the 50%. See what happened right here. And we right below. Man, that's a big deal. That's a big. Actually, I'm gonna keep that up. That's a big deal. Okay. 1 hour looking pretty good. Check out some highs. Sub some liquidity. Liquid. Sub some liquidity. Sub some lows. 15-minute bounce. 15-minute right here. 15-minute fair value gap right here that we didn't touch yet. Fair value gap right here. 15-minute FVG that we didn't touch. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off the screen right here on this one. All right. Let's see, 5-minute sideways range. Hit this low right here. So some lows. 1 minute left. Got 1 minute and 20 seconds left to the time frame prints. No news. Consolidation. Did we have a break of structure? Did we have a break of structure? No, we did not. I would like to see us come back down underneath this before I take a short. I'm gonna name this short below line. And I'm gonna bring this down. Short below line, bring this to the right. Short below line. That's how I'm feeling, right? Short below line. put this at 120 distant. Going back up to the highs. We pushing. We pushing. We just took off right here. Here we go. A few seconds left until this market opens. See if you got any zones. I don't really see any zones. That's the catch. Market's open. Here we go. Gotta print above this. One right here, pop, pop. Big short coming. Got below that line. Still gonna wait, still gonna wait, still gonna wait, still gonna wait. 5 minute fair you got right here. You know, actually, I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that. Market is open, guys. Market is open. No sync. Boy, that volume is crazy. I'm trying to see where we're gonna go. Trying to see if I should just wait. Be patient. Let this volume spike crazy. Let this happen. Did we sweep? Did we sweep and take this out? Let me see. We did sweep a lot though. Let me see. We in this range. Trying to see if we're going to the upside. After sweeping this high. See? A lot of movement. How much ticks are we moving by? Yeah, we're moving 50 to 100 ticks. I mean 50 to 70 ticks instantly, right? Be patient. Got the 1 hour right here, so y'all can see the 1 hour right here, right? See the 1 hour on the screen, so y'all can see it better. Looks pretty good. Just gotta be patient. Keep it on the 5 minute. See what the 4 hour looks like. I think we might short it. Just trying to figure out where I can get in to short. We rejected that twice. See about a short. How many times did we reject that? Uh-huh. Once, 2, 3 time rejection. Might even add more into this. Be careful though. 30. Alright. Big move. See if we can get a pull down. Oh, I forgot to put what you call this on. Brackets on. Alright, hitting that. We're right below that line. I shorted right below that line. So we can get a full break. Alright. Go back to the 5 minute. Alright, took out partials up 715. Wow. That wasn't not too bad. That wasn't 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 too bad. Let's look for the next trade. It wasn't a bad scalp. I ain't gonna lie. You know, scalp, like a head and scalp. You know what? I honestly think you got more downside. I gotta figure out where I can get in at. If you can come back up, I honestly think we have more downside. Still got in. Still want to get in more though. I want to see where can we get in more. 5 minute was right here too. Unless, what the world is that? 5 minute zone right here. 5 minute. I'm gonna get rid of this, put it back. Here we go, here we go, here we go. How are we gonna close on the 5 minute? 15 minute right here in 15 minutes. Like how we print it down. Rangy market, rangy market. Let's see. I really like these shorts, but I don't want us bouncing. I don't want us bouncing. Feel me? I don't want us bouncing at this block. Ooh, that's a big rejection. That's a big rejection. That's a big rejection. We're breaking that. Hey yo, it's about to get serious. It's about to get serious. Let me see. Let's see, how can I add into this? We're gonna see right here. The 5 minute we printed above and we hit this block. I'm trying to see. Okay, ooh, big pop. Big pop. Here we go. We're gonna see. Okay. Nah, we just tapped it. That ain't good. We got it. It's gonna come right back up. Yep. All right, we finally got into it. Oh, I want to add into this. Oh, if we reject it one more time. Ooh. Again? We rejected again? Okay. Okay. Any fair value gaps? Fair value gap right here? Fair value gap right here? See if we tap that fair value gap and reject. Yo, this is looking good. Oh, I thought he was gonna hit the fair value gap. You know what? I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Even if it comes back up, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm putting a tight stop on this. I'm taking this. I'm sorry, I'm taking this. I'm taking this. Big drop. Come on. It may come back up to the fair value gap. I ain't gonna hold you. It may come back up and I might add if it comes back up. But the rejection right here is crazy. Mm-hmm. Keep it tight. Just in case we don't break. Keeping it tight, just in case we don't break. Alright. Took out partials of that. Let's go. Let's go. That was a nice move. I'm out of that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A lot of chop, but we going. Hey, we did it. We're doing it, y'all. We're doing a good job. Doing a good job. Nice. I just want to see that fair value gap get mitigated, bro. If it could just come back up to the fair value gap, I'm happy. I'm happy on that. Just hit that fair value gap, and I'm happy. I would go right back into this market. We're getting that rejection though. You got that pullback, big strong pullback. Fast pullback too. See if we can go back up to this fair value gap. See if it. Oh, I don't have blocks on. Oh man. I might be wrong trying to take that long. Just got out of that. Yeah, I was wrong for doing that. Hopefully we'll go back up to that fair value gap. Do I mentor? Nah, not really. No. I just trade. That's all I do. I don't mentor at all. I think they got so many mentors. I just trade. Even if I don't get no views or not, I'm good with it. But hey, I mean, if you like watching, just to kind of learn a little bit, yeah, see what I do and how I do it, yeah, that's fine. But I don't really mentor. Like I mean, trading is almost kind of it's self-explanatory when you start learning the basics. Oh, we really breaking. It's not coming back up to this already gap at all. We up 977. I'm okay with it. I'm happy. We had some decent executions. I ain't gonna lie. I was hoping we'll come right back up to this point. This nice block right here. Let's see. Let me change the color of it. I think it's throwing me off. Yeah, something like that. Man, that short came in heavy. That short came in heavy. For real. What's up, Kelly? Wait, Royal Rose? Wait a minute. My guy got a following. Oh, snap. Hold up. Oh, not my guy, my girl got a following. Royalty World, what's up? Nah, I don't really do mentors at all. He said you want to learn FEG. What? Oh, look at that big drop. Oh man, that was a nice move. Well, I missed that. I should have held that, but you could tell based off man, you could tell how we just kept rejected once. There was first reject, you could tell, first reject, right? Second reject. It's like self-explanatory right at that moment. So you want to learn from value gaps. I feel you. I understand. I feel you. Dang, saying being a slave to YouTube. All my days, I never thought I'd hear that. That's crazy. All my days. Hey, I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't really do mentorship because right here, I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why. Cause I try to be. I don't want, I'm gonna show you real quick. A disclaimer: this video and live stream is for entertainment purposes only, not investments, tax, legal, or financial advice. Opinions are not investment recommendations and should not guide your decisions. I, Quixabui, that guy, is not licensed or registered, certified financial advisor. I'm just letting you know, and these are the government required disclaimers. Just I gotta put that out there. I gotta put that out there. So I can't give you financial advice because I don't want the SEC coming after me, some type of government official coming after me, because I've seen it a lot in streams. I've seen it, and I just, But other than that, if you bound to watch and you ask me questions, I give you my opinion. I always say, hey, right here, this what this is, this what that is. But learning how to trade is not hard. You know, watch up like how you started YouTube, how to get a camera, how to get a computer, how to upload. You start learning the basics, right? You learn the ropes. It's the same way. You learn how to trade, but then you start learning your edge. Like you learn how to post on YouTube, but then you start learning where you fit in at on YouTube. Like you start learning how to trade, and then you start learning where you fit in at, like how when I get in, when I get out, where do I place myself? Some people want to trade right here, you know. Some people might like trading right here. Some people might like trading right here. Some people might trade in this or trade in this. So you know, it's wherever you want to get in, but learning the basics is it's nothing. I'm not gonna post or tell you how to trade because it's not hard, but it's easy to learn the basics once you learn. Like if you go and type on YouTube how to learn the basics of trading, and it's gonna teach you what candles are, what the red and the green means, what the highs and the lows are. But then you gonna eventually like the thing YouTube is not gonna teach you is what's your edge. Like on YouTube, it's not gonna teach you. Now let me tell you what you should do. It's gonna tell you, okay, I taught you how to upload. Now where do you want to fit in at? Say I taught you how to trade. Now where do you want to fit in? Dang, this thing is dropping. Oh my goodness, I should have held this trade. Huge rejection. Look how I rejected off this line. Look how I rejected right at this block right here. Perfect. Man, I know it. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Anthony? You know that YouTube hustle ain't no joke. You work at a regular job, and you're like, okay, I'm working, but that YouTube hustle, it have your brain fried. You already know. YouTube hustle have your brain stressed out, looking at analytics all day. We are plummeting. You hear me? We doing it. But glory be to God. That's always first and foremost. Glory be to God. Let me see. Where we at? This is the 45-minute right here. So I'm putting this right here. I'm looking for some more zones that we can bounce off of. Let me see. See what's our next trade can be. Where can we find our next trade? Looking at a 1 hour. I'm going to look at the daily again. Coming back down into this low. See if we can go down and take out some more lows. Look at the weekly. Ooh, this is setting up nicely. This is setting up nicely. Oh my days. We got a fair value you got right here. 1 hour fair value you got right here. See us come down into this. What's up, Anthony? I appreciate the check on me, man. Check on, yeah, that's what's up. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Just checking on me, make sure I ain't boo-hooing on the stream. Over here, I lost my water bottle. All right, just on charting right now. See what our next trade can be. I can tell you right now, the best traders ain't streaming. They are really they are ninjas in this market. They are not. But you know, everybody trading the same market. You know, we all trading the same market. We all see the same thing. You're seeing probably hundreds of thousands of people probably trading in the exact market, right? Big old bounce, had a nice bounce back up to the highs. See what we can do from here. Got a 30-minute fair value you got right here. We just played off of 30-minute right here. Just played off of that 30-minute fair value you got. Nice bounce. 30-minute. What I said, I put it right here. I had put it. What I said right here, what was this? I said, hey, I said it. It was right here. I ain't gonna sound want to be like, yeah, I said it. I'm the best trader in the world. I'm not. Right here. I was not kidding when I said it. If we get below this line, this is a short line. I said short below this line, right? I had a feeling, right? If we get below this line, we're going down. We are going down, down. Ooh, this market is pumping. This market is, man, this market pumped. This market pumped almost 100 ticks in less than like 30 seconds, bro. We're going for that fair value gap. Hey, I'm about to get rid of this line right here. All this distraction, I'm getting rid of it. All of this, I'm getting rid of it. All these lines, I'm getting rid of it. All this, I'm getting rid of it. I'm gonna change the color of this so I can see it better. Let's see. I need a better color. I need something that's not gonna distract me. Let's see. Hold up. Well, yeah, I'm feeling that color. I go back to blue. I go back to blue. I go back to blue. All right, here we go. 1 hour prints in 9 minutes. Boost up some lows. I should have took that bounce right when we got out that 1 minute right here. That was perfect. Look how perfect this move was. You can't tell me this move was perfect. Look at that. Bounce off the 30 minute. We didn't break. Let's look at this. Let's analyze this move right here. Look at that. Didn't break. Perfect, perfect, perfect sweep. Man, that was a perfect move. You can't deny that. That was perfect. I missed that. But anyways, that's all good though. It's all good though. Look like we're coming back down. I want to see us come into this fair value gap and then reject again. I want to see another rejection. I'm waiting for this fair value gap to get tapped into. Shoot, I might take this trade all the way up to it too. 50 ticks? Nah, I don't think it's ready. Yeah. We're going to it, see? It's going straight to it. All right, let's see what happens right here at this fair value gap. See what happens right here. See if we can get a nice rejection. 3 minutes left on the 1 hour fair value gap right here. 1 hour right there. We watching. Oh, we tapped it so fast. Wow. It didn't even give me a second to hop in it. Yo, it didn't even give me a second to hop in. Why you do that? Look at that. Y'all see how fast it took off? Amazing. Amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It literally just, bro. Oh my gosh. 166 in a second. Literally in a second. Oh, that's something serious. That's something serious. Yo, get me back in this trade, bro. I missed my chance though, but it's all good though. You know, it's not always about the money. You see that the setup played out. You see that we rejected off this right here, off this high. That was a perfect trade to get into a short. That was a perfect trade to get into this short. See the rejection? Perfect rejection. Even on a 5 second, it was beautiful. It was bound to happen. See? Bound to happen. As soon as it tapped the fair value gap, that was it. That was it. That was quick. I ain't gonna lie. That was... That's too fast, man. I mean, that's too fast. I was hoping for some more development. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was hoping for a little bit more play in this. So we're gonna bounce up and down through this. I missed the trade. Why you don't just get into the trade now? Because I missed it. It's best that I got in. It's best that I got in right here, like I said I was, than to have a stop all the way down here and I get stopped out if it does come back up here. You know what I'm saying? So if anything, I missed the trade. But it was a good one. I ain't gonna hold you. That was a good one. 6 more minutes left into the 4 hour prints. 6 more minutes left. Man, that was a good one. My target would have been right here. Y'all seen that drop? That drop wasn't small. That drop was not small. Y'all hear me? Look at it. Literally just went like this. That's a big deal. Trying to give it some color. Yeah, that's a big deal. Oh my gosh. And then look how we came back up to this candle right here. Look at this. We came back right back up into this zone and just rejected perfectly. See? Perfect line, straight across, right? Straight across, perfect. Flush, like it, almost like a puzzle. Almost like a puzzle. So I'm still looking for the next trade though, you know? Market can still chop and go up and down, but I think that the fact that it's building momentum to go to the shorts. Ooh, fair value gap got tapped. How did I miss this? Fair value gap. I want to see what happens right here. I'm gonna get rid of this. Stop yapping. Five minutes just print it. We also got 15 minute and a 5 minute. See what happened. 5 minute got touched. 15 minute. Another opportunity. Another opportunity. I missed it. This market is going down. Let's see what my next move might be. Right here. 100 ticks. How many contracts can I play off that? See what happens right here. I'm liking this. Hope we don't get that rejection. Nice. That was nice. That was smooth. That was smooth. That was smooth. That was smooth. Nice, nice pullback. You see how we? Yeah, that was nice. Look at that. Look at that. I should have held that. Nice move. Back into that February gap. See if we can hold. Man, that was a nice trade. Should have held it. Here we go. February. We're back into that February gap. See if we can get another rejection. If not, then we're going back up to these highs. 2 more minutes left. 2 more minutes left on all time frames. Oh man. Two more minutes left. We took out the low on that opening range break. Came back into this February gap. Looks like we want to continue. Swap the lows. Bro, what is that? Swap the lows. There we go. Something better so I can see it better. I'm just waiting for this 4 hour to print. Look, we have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Will we bounce at this block right here and have a continuation long? Will we bounce at this block and have a continuation long? Or are we going to have a continuation short back down to these lows? We're going to see. We're going to see. 1 minute left. I like this. I like this. I like this consolidation, almost like a basing out, and then we can probably bounce at this. Hey yo, this is a 30 minute. What am I thinking? We'll see. We broke it though. Let me see. We broke it though. Do we want to go back up to these highs? Do we want to go back up to these highs, or are we going to respect this halfway point of this opening range break? You hear me? Are we going to respect this halfway, or are we going to go for these highs? We're going to see. $20 seconds left. And remember, I can watch this chart too to kind of give me more confirmation on where we're going. If that's a 1 hour, and you put this on a 5 minute. Are we bouncing right here? Here we go. Big move. Okay. Big rejection off that fair value gap. Halfway fair value gap took rejection, but we're gonna see if this is if that's the actual move itself. 1 hour, 30 minute, 15. Well, I feel like we want a short come back down again and then continuation. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. I want to see us hold this. If we can hold this range, then I'm gonna go back up for the longs. If we can hold this range, if we can hold this right here, I'm going back up for the longs. Even though we rejected off that fair value gap right here, get rid of that. See, 15 minute. Ooh. Ooh. 40 ticks. Look how we're building across. Look how we're building across on this. See that? Interesting. Such an ugly looking. Look how ugly this is on a 3 minute. Man, these shorts look heavy. The fact that we didn't print below this on a 4 hour, that's alarming to me. It's like we're trying to get lower. Yeah, the market's trying to go lower. I think it wants to come down to this. I think it wants to come down to this for some reason. And then bounce. We're gonna see. Patience. That's more important than anything. Patience, patience, patience. Cause we in the range. We already had a big move. Now we just in this range. That's a quick move. I need to be careful. I need to be careful. I gotta be careful, y'all. I gotta be patient. I can't just be getting into a trade thinking that, oh, long and then it's in shorts and then short and then they go long. You know, we in this range. We're how you like what's the range? You see this range right here? We're bouncing from this low to this high to this mid range like this. You know, I want to see us break out or break below before you know what I'm saying? I want to see us break like this or like this. I want to see one or the other. You know, I just don't want to get in and then it takes off, you know. But other than that, I like the longs. I really would like to see the longs play out. So what I'm going to do is I might take one scalp long and put a trailing stop. I want to see us kind of come back up to this high right here again. Oh, I can't do that. 5 minutes about the print. That's that hard part. That's that hard part right here. Five minutes print. 5 minutes just print it. I don't want to get faked out. See how we're rejecting off this block right here? I don't want to get faked out. See, I don't want to get faked out. That's what I'm afraid of. Just to fake out. Try to reject once, try to reject twice. Couldn't do it twice. Couldn't do it 3 times. Yeah, I didn't like that rejection twice. Keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop at like 15 right here. Yeah, I don't like this. Are we rejecting this twice? Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, ooh. Hold up. Yeah, I'm not liking this. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Are we holding this? Building up right here. Okay. 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 Yup. Yup. Come on. Ah ha ha. Big drop. Just that fast. There we go. Hold it. Can you hold? Can it hold? Oh, hold up. 1 hour. Nope. It can't hold. Well, can it hold? Just that shaky. It's that shakiness. I'm getting out of this. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. There we go. I didn't like it. Let me look at this right here. Put this right here. Let me see. 30 seconds. Yeah. Man, I would have thought that would have been a move. I would have thought that would have been a move, but I figured that once we rejected off that, that's it. Yeah. Stop me out. At least we're still 1,000, you know? I played it safe. I played it safe. I played it safe before it took off. I played it safe. We still got a fair value gap right here, though. I want to see it respect this. Fair value gap. Don't go nowhere, y'all. Still in the trade. I'm gonna put my stop a little tighter. Keep it wider. Rejection right here. This is what I don't like. I want to see us pull back up. If we don't, then you know what time it is. It's drop time. Let's see. Okay. Wait a minute. 4 hour right here. I'm tripping. 4 hour. I need to be reversing my my trade. I need to be reversing. I'm reversing my trade. I'm going in the opposite direction now. I'm going in the opposite direction now. The reason why is because look at this 4 hour right here. Let me see 4 hour right here. 4 hour fair value gap. Oh my god, 4 hour fair value gap. I was stuck. I'm reversing my trade because we had the 4 hour fair value gap right here. Also on the 15-minute, it respects perfectly. My target gonna be down here, but I can't set it because I'm in a trade. I'm gonna see if we can hold this level. Still holding though. I don't want to see us shoot back up. Which we can, cause you know we didn't even get into it yet. But I really like how we're respecting this though. I really do. Yeah, this might play back up to the highs. This might play back up to the highs. We're gonna see. Yeah, this might play back up to the highs. We're gonna see right here. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. If it does. 15-minute. I like how we're rejecting off that 15-minute. I really want to see us short it. Let me do something real quick. Let me background box, border box. Like this. That's the color right there, Bob. My target is down here though. I'm gonna add into it if we do get that respect. Get this on the 4 hour. But then again, are we ready to come back down? That's the thing. You know, when a trade happens, you got two things. You got either this block right here that can reject and continue short, or we can have this bounce right here and continue long. And that's the two things I don't like. Even though we tapped the low of this open range break, I just don't want to see the longs play out just yet. But it might. We're gonna see. And that's what I'm afraid of. I'm gonna keep a tighter stop. Yeah, them longs might play out. I think I chanced it too fast. I would expect it. Well, we're gonna see. I expected it to short right here. You know what I'm saying? I expected it to short. No, we out. Dang, it took that long to take me out. It's crazy. We too rangy. That's the thing. We at this 4 hour. We at the 4 hour. Is it gonna put me back in or take? Are we getting taken out? Shit, that's what I'm like. Yeah. We rangy. I gotta wait. I think it's best that I wait for that macro time. I would have thought that this would have been it though, you know, the move. But oh well. It's trying to make a decision. Look, we're hitting this 4 hour right here, right? Hitting that 4 hour. Hitting this 15-minute. Rejected off the 4 hour. Wait, did we? Yeah. Yeah. Right here, yeah. Looks like rejection. But we swept the lows. Could we go back up to the highs? That's the question. I think I would like to see us hit this high first before I even see a short. See, I don't like this. I don't like this range. I would like to see us. You know what I would expect to see a short? If I was to see a short, if it's shorts now, then okay, that's cool because we rejected off the 4 hour, right? See? Rejection off the 4 hour. See, as y'all can see, I'm gonna put a dotted line so y'all can see it. Rejection off the 4 hour, right here, see it, 4 hour. And if you look at the 15-minute time frame, nice underneath, it's underneath it. But the thing is it ready? Because we didn't. I don't know. I'm expecting us to come back down here. So that's why I think that's why I believe that the market is indecisive right now. We don't have enough information because look how we're taking out that fair value gap. I mean, we took 15 minutes about to print in like a second. All right, 15 minutes just printed. Yeah, I know what that means, right? On a 15-minute print like this. See, we're in between this range. That's the hard part. We swept the lows, but we at that 4 hour fair value gap. That's the part that's trapping me up. So when stuff like this, is best to always just sit on hands and be patient, because you can get chopped up in this range. 30-minute fair value gap right here. What's the move? And we're not breaking. Look at this. Like, what's the move? All right. So the shorts was right. About time. It took so long. I was hoping we come down to this for the shorts. What's up, Abdul? Abdul. What's good? My guy Abdul. See how we just prancing around? That's why I don't believe in it. I would like to see the loans come back in. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see us get back up to this halfway point. Something like that. Something like that. Let's see. I'm feeling it. I want to see us get back to that halfway point. I want to go long. I want to go in heavy. I'm in real heavy, but we're gonna see. Big rejection. Don't reject right here. I just liked how we respected this. Wow. They're not giving it to us. Wow. I went in too heavy. Oh well. Oh, I lose all my profits off this move. And I liked this trade too. Man, I was really thinking that was the one, bro. No shows might pop in. We gonna see. 20 seconds left, 5 minutes left. Yeah, no shows might pop in. I need to get out of this. It's all good though. It happens. It happens to the best of us. Look at that. That looks short. Crazy. Goofy me. Goofy me. Put L's in the chat. Put L's in the chat for being so hard-headed. Put L's in the chat for being hard-headed. After I said I'm gonna stay out of this chop, I'm thinking that was the move because we had to break it. We didn't break it. We just swept. I was hoping we hold this 30-minute and then we could pop back up to these highs. Now I'm in negative my profits. Goofy. Yeah, I don't like this. Okay. Okay. That was my second opportunity. I'll take it. Big rejection. See? Man, this market would do you wrong. It would do you wrong. I'm telling you, y'all. Y'all gotta be careful. All right, so we got another rejection. Here we go. See, another rejection. I might just take my profits and call it a day because this is crazy. 18 seconds left on the 5-minute. Insane. 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 Hey, yo, I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be right back. Watch this trade for me. I'll be right back. Watch the trade. What? Wow. If this is a fake out, I don't know what is. Put in a tight stop. 1 second, just print it. Amazing. Yeah, this is me need to get out. I think I just realized one thing. Even if it pumps, this can be swept, dropped, and then bounce back up to these highs. So many fake outs, man. So many fake outs. So many fake outs. Unbelievable. We swept like 3 times. How many more times do we need to sweep? Think it wants to come down to this point. Sweep. See? Yeah. Looks like it wants to come down. Look at that big push back up to the highs. Faking everybody out. Take another long right here. I just want to see what happens right here. Put my stop below. I mean right there. I'm gonna add more into this if we do get that move. I'm getting tired of waiting, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna get off soon. This market do look like I want to get a short though. Oh wow, you want to take out the highs at the moment bro. That's all good. 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 Print right here, and I'm adding in this. I'm adding more into this. I'm in 30. And a little heavy though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Where did all my stuff go? Can we get that push? Back up to those highs. Don't tell me about the drop again, bro. Sweep some highs first and then drop. Sweep some highs. Sweep this high. Don't do us like this, coach. After we've been pushing, let's go. Push. That's what I'm talking about. 9 seconds left on that push. Yeah, and the rejection. People took that and ran with it. Quite heavy. I think a big drop about to come right here. About to see. Nope, 15 minutes still got time. Ooh, yeah, I'm about to get off this. Yeah, I'm out of that. Ay. Come on, give us that nice pushback. Bro, man, that market's spoiled. We can get it. Come on. 15-minute, be nice. Be nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Bro, come on, bro. Yeah, this might be a continuation to the shorts. I think I got into a chop move. I mean, sweep. I mean, yeah, you could at least sweep the highs. You know what I'm saying? I think this might be a easy sweep right here. I might have to add into this. Let's see. Nope. Not given. Unbelievable. Oh, snap. What happened? Chill. I don't like this movement right here. Yeah, that might be the drop. Yeah, I don't like it. This might be the drop. So faked out, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of that, y'all. I think I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I got cooked. Fried chicken. Oh, we would have had a better sweep than that. And then we might look. We might have a better sweep than this. Watch. Watch it sweep. Watch it sweep right here. Man, we hit this thing so many times and we finally broke though. I was hoping a bigger move back up to this point. Oh, don't tell me about to do it now. Wow, bro. Wow. It's funny how when I get out of it, just for it to pop back up, bro. This market fake, bro. Games. Cook chat. It cooked me. Don't you go to the top, bro. $40 left on the 5-minute. Yeah, this thing is about to reject. 15 seconds left on the 5-minute. Can't believe I lose all my profits on that. I was trying to hit the max for the day, but they didn't think I was gonna get chopped up like this. Here come the shorts. Stopped out. Unbelievable. Was up a whole band and lost it. Mm. 30-minute printed, 1 hour printed. See 30-minute right here too. Hold up. Just testing the waters with one. Oh, this is a 30-minute. I'm tripping. Oh my goodness, I am tripping. That's cool enough. Still in it though. Still in it. I should have waited once we broke that. I should have waited. My lesson on that, should have waited for that macro time. I should have waited till we broke that range before I try to go long. I thought we was gonna have a rejection, but I didn't think it was gonna reject that ugly off the 4 hour though. That's why I try to take it long. Thought we was gonna have a reversal after just constant sweeping the lows and just not breaking. That was like my validation to say, oh, let's do that. All right, let's see where we at. 1 hour, yeah, finally hitting it. Unbelievable. It would have been nice to take this short and then bounce up and then go 500. We need 55, 50 times. Still waiting, being patient. One minute left until the 15-minute prints. Huh. Big rejection. Right, like literally on it. Spot on. How many ticks was that? Is there any more lows that we going for? Let's see. Think so. Possible 5 minute right here. Oh, is that pullback all about? Whatever that was, I'm getting into it. I'm gonna add more if we get a nice move. Oh, okay. That was not good. I don't like this right here. This right here, I don't like. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Y'all already know what this means, right? Uh-oh, it's about to go down. I mean, it's about to go up, but it's about to get serious. It's about to get serious. It's about to get serious. 5 minute just printed. Oh, we didn't get that break though. We finally got the break. Let me see. That was something. That right there. That was something. Something I did not like. I didn't like this. I mean, it's nice. I just don't like. I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't like that we didn't break this and break that. We just swept it. Right? I don't like that. Can we get a fair value gap or something? Nope. I don't like that. Let's see if we can sweep again. Wow. 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 You fake out every single time I do that. Every single time I do that, it fakes me out and does that. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? I'm waiting for that sweep, and then that sweep, and then that nice hold, and then we going. Want to see it happen? I'll take the $100 down. Still gonna play it. Still gonna play it. Man, this market was, boy, this market played me. Played me, played me, played me. You hear me? Played me. I could have went a bit heavy, but it's that trap. They set that trap on me. 40 seconds left on the 15. 1 hour. Even on a 1 hour, yo. This is gonna get interesting. This is gonna get interesting. I'm ready. Let's go. I wanna see how this gonna play out. Bring this down some. Bring this color down some so I can really watch it. What we're gonna do right here. 20 seconds left. Oh my goodness. Talk about a play. What are we gonna do right here? Ooh, we're gonna pretend like the break. 10 seconds left. So we was down negative. We was up 900, $1,000. Now we're down 100. I went heavy. I went a size too heavy. Oh, here we go. Market just printed. I'm gonna scale into 1. I'm gonna scale into 1 with a drawdown at the lows. See, we're gonna target these highs, but I just gotta see how. If we can come back down and fill some more imbalance below real quick. Hold on, let's see. Sweep, can we sweep? Can we have a sweep before we touch these highs? Let's see. They ain't gonna give it to us. Come on. Come on. Really? You gonna do it already? Bro, come on. One hour right here. 30-minute. It looks gorgeous, man. Man, this market look gorgeous. All right, 15-minute. It looks good. It looks good. It just, I'm afraid of a rejection. Where? I don't know. I think once we sweep. Ooh, fair value you got right here. Big rejection. Off the fair value you got. Right? Let's see if we can sweep these lows. Sweep these lows and then come back up to these highs. Come back down like right here. If we can pull back down here, you know what? I'm gonna get out of it. I want to see us pull back down. If we can pull back down here and then pull back up, that'd be nice. Let me see what we have. 30 minute. Nah, this thing looks like it just wants to take off. See, we're gonna see right now. Okay. Give us a solid rejection. Okay. Solid rejection, solid rejection. I like it, I like it, I like it. Off the fair value you got was perfect. I like it, I like it. Bring us all the way down, please, please, please. Bring us all the way down and then hit this point, and I would try to see about a continuation, but dang. This looks heavy, bro. Heavy. Hefty. See what happens right here. Oh, I'm gonna get out of one of them. Alright, put a stop right there. See what happens right here. One minute. Ooh, big rejection. I don't like that, but at the same time, ooh, let me see. Sorry for all these lines, y'all. I'm sorry for all the lines. I need it. I'm sorry, I'm targeting it. That was a lot. No, come on. Pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through. Pull through, pull through, pull, no. Through, go through, through. Yay, do it, do it. I'm in max contracts. Just want to see if we can get up to the size again. I mean, we rejected off that fair value you got way too quickly, just way too fast. See if we can respect this opening range break. See if we can respect this opening range. Man, that was That was something. I ain't gonna lie. We are in a 50K combine. That was something though. That move was something. Sometimes it's hard to even get it. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes it's hard to get in heavy at the lows without expecting a big valid. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But this right here, yeah, that's pull through, pull through. Yay, pull through. Continue, continue, continue. Pull through. Come on. Come on, push, 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 push to the sides, push to the sides, push, push, push. Let's continue, let's continue. Go, and go, and go, and go, and go, and go. Up, 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 up. Keep going, 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 and going. And no, don't reject. Keep going, no, no, no. Keep going, and going, and going. Go, go. Come on, get up there. I like this play. Get up there. Oh, I forgot to have a, what you call it right here. Aye, aye, aye. This might be a tricky one. Might have to be careful right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Don't do it. No. Go. Go. No. Don't hurt me feelings. Don't hurt me feelings, please. Take out that high. How much is that high taken out of? Would be? Okay. Please take out the high, please. Hold this opening range. No. Go, 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 go. Please do it. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. So aggressive. The selling is so aggressive. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that selling is aggressive. Man, I should have took out when I had that chance. Let's see what we have. Yeah, that's selling about to be crazy. I'm in heavy though. Yeah, very heavy. Oh, man, I was hoping we get a pullback, a decent pullback, but I think it wants to go lower. I think I got in too early. Way too early. Way, way, way too early. With too much size, for sure. Oh, man. Oh, well. Well, it happens. Yes, keep going. Keep going. Go, go. All the way to the top. Go, go, go. Go, do it, do it. You can do it. Chat, you can do it. You can do it. No, no. Do it. This is a tough one. This right here, I might have to make this a big one. Because if this don't get above, you already know what I got to do. 40 seconds left on the 5-minute. You know what I got to do if it don't do what it's supposed to do. If it don't do what it's supposed to do, in 20 seconds, it's going to be me and it. You got to get above. Okay, okay. Okay, not too shabby, not too shabby, not too shabby. We were down, we were down. Now we up. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Hey, I take it, I take it, I take it. That was a little tough. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, that was a tough one. I know y'all probably was watching. It was like on the edge of y'all seat. But thank God, we got back up. We at 858. I was down. Well, you know, I'm trading strictly price action, so you see it in real time. See the rejection, but we're gonna see. Mm-hmm. They was trying to get me, man. Trying to set me up. Mm-mm-mm. Talk about a setup. Yeah, man, that's it. We did pretty good. I can't complain. We did pretty good, you know? That might be it for me. A lot of chop going on right now. Keep a tight stop. I'm gonna call it a day on this one, maybe. Nice. People adding, it just drops. Huh. Crazy, man. Volume spikes in, then just sells off. It's looking good, though. See how we building up? Looking really good. See if we can take out those highs. Look at the tick chart. This size then heavier. I didn't like that play. Some things I just don't like, but we'll see. There we go. Can we get that follow breakthrough? At this point, it should be taken off. At this point. Yeah, that should be taken off. Would add more right here too. Like I was respecting. Sweet. Well, it might come right down. Oh yeah, push. To the max. To the max. To the max. Let's go. Good job. Let's go. You know, sometimes market may not be pretty, but hey, if you believe in your trade, take the trade, man. If you believe in the trade, take it. I'm break even. I'm gonna let this thing ride. Break even. Break even. Wow, I can't even break even. Outstanding. Outstanding. What I do is I keep a tight sell order. Man, about time. That took really long. I ain't gonna lie. That took some time. That took some time. So we was up, got greedy, went down because I couldn't be patient. I just should have been patient enough to wait for the trade to develop. And then once it developed, got it back. So, yeah, this is it, y'all. I might go ahead and close it out, man. I'm gonna go ahead and spread that word for y'all because y'all need that. That word is more important than this. Other than that, man, this is what having faith. I have faith, you know. I believe faith is the embodiment of everything. You know, I believe faith is what you need to in order to see things through, to make it through hard times and trials. You have to have faith. I could have easily said, you know, I was up. I could have took my first thing first. I could have took my profits. And say, you know what, I'm up 1,000. Let me just take the profits and go. Would I end up getting greedy, finding myself wanting to hit a certain number, and it dropped, and I went all the way down to 600. I could have got off when I was down, but I had a little faith to say, you know what, I don't want to overtrade, but unless the market doesn't go in my favor, then I'm gonna accept the loss. So I accepted the loss. As long as you stick to your rules and you follow your plan, you'll be able to produce good outcomes, you know. So like I said before, I was up 1,000 and I went down, and I said to myself I could get off and be at 600 loss, or if I do trade, I'm gonna have to accept whatever the max I'm willing to accept. And I accepted. I accepted that, and I said I'm gonna just put that out there. I was able to find a decent trade entry throughout this whole retracement and correction back up to the highs. I was able to find it, and I took that trade, and it brought me right back up to where I was at before. So thank God for that. Patience, faith are important to have when it comes to trading. Emotional roller coasters and waves are gonna just throw you out. And you know, I've been there. I'm probably still there, but I have to continue to remind myself that you're not here to make it. It's not about looking at a dollar sign. The moment you look at a dollar sign, it's the moment you might start losing the money. So it's best to always follow a strategic plan, follow your rules, stay grounded in risk management. You know, you don't want to continue to risk too much capital. If you're willing to say you're gonna risk $100, $500, or even 1,000, stay true to that risk. You know, stay true to that risk management and preserve that capital. That's probably the best answer I can give y'all. But other than that, man, look, we about to spread this word. I'm about to get up out of here. It's pushing that time. I'm gonna go spend some time with my kids. Where we at? Looks like a rejection coming in though. Cause how we not breaking? We swept the highs, but we didn't break. Right here, look at this. You see how we swept? You might see a rejection, a pullback, and then a bounce. But the fact that we didn't break, we swept and didn't break, that's telling me maybe shorts might want to come in. We're gonna see. You're gonna see. But anyways, let's get to it, man. Let's get back to it. So, like I said before, guys, make sure that you follow your rules. Make sure that you preserving that capital. It's not about how much you're getting. Remember that the rule of thumb is not how much you're getting, it's how much it's costing you. How much does it cost? If you're willing to accept that it costs you 600 to go through, or 500 or 100 or 1,000, accept that cost and pretend as if like it was never yours. And at that moment, then if you follow that concept of risk management and preserving capital, the money gonna follow. So let's get this word out. We have 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 6. So be truly glad. There's a wonderful joy ahead. Be truly glad. There's a wonderful joy ahead. Even though you must endure many trials for a little while, these trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as fire tests and purifies gold. Though your faith is far more precious than mere gold. So when your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring you much praise and glory and honor on a day when Jesus Christ is revealed to the whole world. Glory be to God. You love him, even though you never seen him. Though you do not see him now, you trust him, and you rejoice with his glorious and inexpressible joy. The reward for trusting him will be the salvation of your souls. Trust and have faith in God. No matter what it is that you're going through, put your faith and trust in the Lord. God bless y'all. We have 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 16. Always be joyful and never stop praying. God bless y'all and have a good day. See y'all later.